Hi guys, so today I received this box and I was not knowing what is inside it, so I just opened it. But then to my surprise I got to know that this box came from my company. So I will just show you what is inside it. Okay, so there is one amazing beautiful box on which it's written as thank you. So my company wants to thank me, that's why they have given this box to me. Let me check what's inside. Just a minute, I will show you. Okay, so this is the card and here it's written Fiserv, which is my company. So thank you Fiserv for giving me this amazing beautiful box, and let me show you what's inside. So wow, it's looking very nice. It's the I think it's dry fruits, mixed berries, roasted almonds, roasted cashews, walnuts and pistachios. So it's looking really nice, and I think my company wants me to take care of my health as well. That's why they have given me so beautiful box of these yummy tasty snacks. So I will be definitely enjoying them, and I wanted to share it with you that when you are in IT and your corporate world, so such kinds of gifts you must be receiving, and these are really nice things to have. So thank you so much Fiserv, and thank you all. I will be sharing some updates regarding the IT news, and keep watching our channel. Please subscribe to us and share our videos to others who can get benefits from it.